Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for multilingual chat. To use ChatGPT for multilingual chat, you can follow these steps. First is set the language. Specify the language you want to communicate. For example, if you want to chat in Spanish, start the conversation by mentioning that you'll be communicating in Spanish. Enter the message. Type in your message or question in the specified language. Keep your queries concise and clear to receive accurate responses. Receive the response. ChatGPT will generate a response in the same language you used in your message. Just continue the conversation. Carry on the conversation by exchanging message in the chosen language. You can ask follow-up questions or seek clarification as needed. Language switching. If you want to switch to a different language, simply state that you'll be switching to the language. For example, you can say, now I will switch to French. Repeat steps 2 to 4. Continue the chat by inputting your message in the new language and receiving a response in the language. Please note that while ChatGPT can handle multiple language, it may have varying levels of proficiency in different language. It is trained on diverse range of texts, but it's important to note that its responses are generated based on patterns it has learned and may not always be perfect. Remember to provide context and be specific in your questions to help ChatGPT understand your query accurately. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!